Hello guys, are you looking for the correct pronunciation of this word? So, in this video, I'm going to tell you the correct way of pronouncing this word. So let's start. The correct way of pronouncing this word is yolk, 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 yolk. Once more time, yolk, yolk, yolk. Repeat it with me. Yolk, yolk, yolk. I hope that the pronunciation of this word is clear to all of you. So, the correct way of pronouncing this word is yolk, yolk. So guys, if you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more videos related to pronunciation.